All right, now that Windows 11 is installed on your PC, then you notice that everything starts to slow down. This is completely normal because several services run in the background by default. If your computer doesn't have enough RAM, the slowdown can be even more noticeable. In this video, we'll show you how to optimize Windows 11 so it uses less memory and runs more smoothly. This is going to make a massive difference. Let's get started. We will start by creating a restore point so that we can revert back if we don't like the changes. Click on the search button and search for Restore. Click on Create a Restore Point. Select Drive C and click Configure. Make sure that the protection system is enabled. Set the maximum usage to 10%. Click Apply, then OK. Now click Create and enter a name for the restore point. Give it a meaningful name, for example, based on the date the restore point was created. Then click Create. Wait for the creation process to finish. Click OK. Open your browser and search for One Tool for Everything and click on the first link. We're going to use an amazing free tool created by Titus, a well-known YouTuber in the tech community. His tool makes debloating and optimizing Windows incredibly easy. Disclaimer: as with any system modification tool, you're responsible for using it on your computer. That said, Titus is highly respected in the tech community, and this tool is used by thousands of people safely. Just be aware of what you're doing. All right, now scroll down to the bottom and copy this command that we are going to run in PowerShell. In the search bar, search for PowerShell and then run it as an administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks if you want to allow this app to make changes. Now we're going to run a single command that downloads and launches the Titus Tech Windows utility. Right-click in the PowerShell window to paste the copied command. Press Enter to run the command. The tool will download, and after a few seconds, a graphical interface will appear. This is the Titus Tech Windows utility. The interface looks pretty cool, kind of like something a hacker would use. But don't worry, it's very user-friendly. Before we start making changes, let me give you a quick overview of what this tool does. You'll see several tabs at the top. Install. This tab lets you quickly install common software without visiting individual websites. Just check the boxes and click Install. Super convenient for new Windows installs, but we're not focusing on this in this video. Tweaks. This is where the magic happens. This tab contains all the optimization and debloating options. We'll spend most of our time here. Config. Quick access to Windows features and settings that are normally hard to find, like the old control panel, God mode, network reset, and more. Updates. Configure how Windows Update behaves. You can set it to only install security updates and defer problematic feature updates. We're going to focus primarily on the Tweaks tab because that's where we'll reduce those background processes. Click on the Tweaks tab in the Titus Tool. You'll see two sections, Essential Tweaks and Advanced Tweaks. Essential tweaks are known to be safe. They won't break anything. Advanced tweaks require more caution as they change how Windows fundamentally works. Click on Standard to select the default options. Let's go through the selected options together. We'll start by unchecking Create Restore Point, as we have already created a restore point manually. Delete temporary files. It removes junk files that are clogging up your system, completely safe and frees up disk space. Disable Activity History. Windows tracks everything you do, apps you use, files you open, websites you visit. This stops that tracking. Disable Consumer Features. This stops third-party apps from being promoted to you through the Start menu. Definitely enable this. Disable Explorer Automatic Folder Discovery. Prevents File Explorer from automatically adjusting folder views based on detected content. Disable Hibernation. On a desktop PC, you don't need hibernation. This frees up several gigabytes of disk space. If you have a laptop and use hibernation, skip this one. Disable Location Tracking. Unless you use Find My Device on a laptop, you don't need Windows tracking your location. Disable it. Disable PowerShell 7 Telemetry. Prevents PowerShell 7 from sending usage and diagnostic data to Microsoft. Disable Telemetry. This is huge for both privacy and performance. It stops Windows from constantly spying on your activity and sending data to Microsoft. Highly recommended. Disable Windows Platform Binary Table, WBPT. Blocks firmware-level software injection that can automatically reinstall certain vendor programs. Enable End Task with right-click. Adds an option to quickly end a task by right-clicking an app, usually from the taskbar or Start menu. Remove Widgets. Disables the Windows Widgets feature from the taskbar. Run Disk Cleanup. Launches the built-in Disk Cleanup tool to remove unnecessary system files. Set services to manual. Changes selected Windows services from automatic startup to manual to improve performance and reduce background processes. Scroll down to the Advanced Tweaks section. Be more careful here, but I'm going to show you some that are perfectly safe. Disable Copilot. If you don't use Microsoft's AI assistant, disable it. If you do use Copilot, leave this unchecked. Disable IPv6. Turns off the IPv6 network protocol on your system, forcing Windows to use IPv4 only. Disable background apps. Prevents apps from running in the background to reduce RAM, CPU usage, and improve performance. Disable Teredo. Disables the Teredo tunneling protocol used for IPv6 connectivity over IPv4 networks, often related to Xbox services. Remove OneDrive. Uninstalls or disables Microsoft OneDrive cloud storage integration from Windows. Check only if you are not using OneDrive. Remove Xbox and gaming components. Removes built-in Xbox services, game bar, and related gaming features from Windows. Do not check Remove Microsoft Edge. This can cause problems with Windows Update because Edge is integrated into Windows. Updates might fail trying to update a removed component. Just leave Edge alone. You don't have to use it, but keep it installed. Do not check Remove Windows Store. Many apps and features depend on the store to function. In the Tweaks panel, look for the button that says Run OO Shutup 10 and click it. This will take you to Privacy and Optimization. OO Shutup 10++ is a powerful privacy management application that gives you granular control over every Windows privacy setting. When it opens, you'll see a huge list of settings with recommendations indicated by green, yellow, or red icons. Here's what I do, and I recommend you do the same. Click on Local Machine, then on Actions in the top menu. Select Apply Only Recommended Settings. This will automatically configure dozens of privacy settings to their most private configuration without breaking Windows functionality. Everything will still work, your apps, updates, features, but Windows won't be constantly phoning home to Microsoft. The tool will ask if you want to create a system restore point. Since we already created one earlier, click No. You'll see a message saying settings have been changed. Click OK. Close OO Shutup 10++, then click OK on the confirmation dialog. Great! We've now significantly improved your privacy and reduced background activity. Now click the big Run Tweaks button. The tool will automatically create a system restore point first, if it hasn't already. Then you'll see a bunch of commands running in the PowerShell window in the background. It looks impressive, like you're a hacker, but it's just the tool doing its work. This process takes 3 to 5 minutes depending on how many tweaks you selected. Be patient and don't close anything. You'll see various messages scrolling by as each tweak is applied. When it's finished, you'll see a completion message or check marks next to completed tasks. Don't forget to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully debloated Windows 11, removed Microsoft's telemetry and tracking, uninstalled bloatware, and optimized your system for better performance and privacy. Your computer should now be noticeably faster, more private, and less cluttered. You've removed the junk, disabled tracking, and taken control of your Windows installation. Remember, you can run these tools anytime you feel Windows is getting sluggish again or after major updates. If this tutorial helped you reclaim your Windows PC, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows optimization and privacy tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster, cleaner, more private Windows 11.